What's up, everyone? If you're looking to buy hosting from Hostinger and looking for a special discount deal, then make sure to watch this video in full, because in this video, I'm going to tell you a step by step on how to buy hosting from Hostinger with an amazing discount coupon code deal. So, guys, what you have to do to buy the hosting from Hostinger is to simply click on a special discount link. Once you click on a special buy discount link, you will be entitled to a page like this where you can see a special deal running right now. If you scroll below, you can see that Hostinger got recommended by WordPress.org, Trustpilot, Google, HostAdvice, WP Beginner, everyone praising them for their finest services. Now, if you can look around on Trustpilot reviews, you can see that majority of the reviews are 5-star reviews, and even if they have any negative issue, they are happy to concern those. And the best thing is that Hostinger got 30 days money back guarantee with all of their plans, which is a just add-on, great add-on. And if you look around in the reviews, you can see that majority of the reviews are 5-star, and the Hostinger is gonna work. Sure, make sure that they provide a great service for the best price. Like over here, that is just even a random comment. I'm just showing to you that how great the service is. Now, to buy hosting from Hostinger, you have to select pick your perfect plan. These are the three most popular plan: premium, business, and cloud setup. If you select the see all features, you may see the details of the feature, like the plans have SSD or NVMe storage, manage WordPress, hosting a website builder, which is just amazing to create websites with their 150 plus design crafted templates. Free domain is included, free CDN, manage WordPress, amazing security features, amazing service and support. And you have data centers all around in the world in different locations, different places where you can host your website when you buy from Hostinger. And then they provide maximized website speed with their light speed web server technology, which is just amazing. They have 24/7 support. Even more than 2 million people are using hosting as a primary hosting company, which is why this is the perfect time to buy hosting from you. And now for you, in case if you want to buy, make sure to click on the link in the description. Plus, use these two coupon codes, which I'm going to tell you step by step in this video, to get an awesome, amazing discount. And they also offer you free migration. So in case if you're coming from another hosting company, the process is going to be quick and easy for you guys. Now, guys, what you have to do is to simply select any plan over here, because this coupon code gonna work with any plan. So now if I plan to buy premium plan, I'm simply select the choose plan with this one. And once I select the choose plan, I will be redirected to another page. Over here you can see that this is a limited time deal. Over here you can see the time is running right now, and I want you guys to take the maximum out of it, which is why I'm going to recommend you guys to offer the 48, 24, 12 months, because you are saving the most amount of money over here. And I want you guys to save the most amount of money when you buy hosting from Hostinger. So once you select your billing period, again I understand that budget could be a reason as well, so you can choose that 12 or 24 months in case if you cannot afford 48 months. So once you select your billing period, scroll below, write your email ID over here, or you can synchronize with your Google or Facebook account. Once you do it, scroll below, select your payment method. Hostinger offer various payment methods. You can select any according to your preference. Once you select your payment method, write your billing details over here to buy hosting from Hostinger. You can see the current pricing right now. Select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can also find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Simply select the apply after you have written this coupon code, and you can see that the price which was already discounted got a further discount. Now there is another coupon code as well to buy hosting from Hostinger, and that is Asia10. You can also find this one in the description of this video as well. So you can see that the price got a further discount. So guys, if you are looking to buy hosting from Hostinger, then make sure to use either of these coupon codes to get amazing discount with Hostinger. So good luck with your hosting with Hostinger. Good luck.